What is your body type? There are 3 dominant body types: Ectomorph, Mesomorph and Endomorph. Ectomorph are the people who eat what they want and never gain weight. They have fast and high metabolism. Their only goal is to gain weight. Mesomorph. They have efficient metabolism, which means it's easier to gain muscles and lose fat. Stay active and it will be easy for you to maintain weight. Endomorph. You have efficient metabolism, which means it is easier to gain muscles or lose fat. Stay active and it will be easy for you to maintain weight. Yes, you can gain weight. But once you eat well and get enough exercise, your excess weight comes off easily too. Your goal is to lean up. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe and wait for part 2.